Hola, friends. Please join us on the floor as we explore parallel and cross system. Parallel system is what you've been doing up until this point. Think of it like a train on tracks. The wheels on this side move together, the wheels on that side move together. And just like we have been doing so far, when this side of the partnership is stepping, then that side, so on and so forth. Cross system, as you might guess from the name, takes us off of our individual sides moving together and puts us in a cross system where it is left and left and right and right. Sounds complicated, but I promise we're going to make it nice and easy for you.
And we have 3 easy ways to get into and out of to switch between the systems, parallel and cross system. The first one doesn't even involve any stepping. When we take up our embrace before the beginning to dance, we're listening to the music, and we might even be shifting our weight so that we're connected with our partner and we know that we're both connected to the music. And then we know which foot we're on, and it's very easy for us to step on the same foot. With cross system, I'm going to dissociate, send my center light over to the corner. That's going to send my partner's weight to the corner. It's going to send my weight to the opposite corner. So now we are automatically on cross system. And of course, we can do it to either side.
Well, that was easy. So you can do it right from a standstill, which if you're taking advantage of those pauses and those nice quiet moments in the music, that's a great place to use that. Another very common way, our second way of getting into our cross system is right from our open step as we enter onto the line of dance. So normally we would just do side and walk right out of that, right? We are in parallel system. To create our cross system, what I'm going to do as a leader is sneak an extra step in between my side and my forward step. And I'm going to do it twice as fast so that way I can hide that movement or disguise it from my follower. So with your upper body, be sure that you focus on sending correct signals. So I'm going to get my wind up going, a nice side signal, then a nice forward signal. And what I do is I use my joints underneath my hips, my knees and my ankles to make that weight change nice and soft so that it's virtually, if I'm doing it right, undetectable to my partner. So they won't be tempted to do it along with us.
And we can use that same technique while we're walking, so we can do it on the fly, if you will. And the way we do that, we're stepping, and I step together while my partner is taking a single step. So in the space and time of my partner taking one step, I'm taking 2 steps to put us on those cross feet.
Mm-hmm. So if you are working as a solo player, dancing to music and changing within that single time, just on the downbeat, to a quick syncopated movement, getting that very comfortable in your own muscle memory will be essential to making sure that it is nice and comfortable when you actually try it with a new partner. And if you are working with a couple, just like we did, practice all 3 of those opportunities to get in and out of your cross system. Now, leaders, you now have a full range, if you will, of possibilities. We've worked a lot on how to communicate the weight change to your partner. This is very important. Equally as important on the other end of the range is actually how to hide your weight changes from your partner or disguise them. So if you are working with a partner in real life, a great way to test yourself to see if you are clearly communicating the weight change is to mix up weight changes that you want your partner to follow along with, intermixed with weight changes that you actually want to hide from them.
Test.
But don't stress. So a couple of things to be aware of as you are working this concept. First and foremost, it's easy to feel like you are outstepping your partner if we don't change the size of the step to reflect the speed. Much like Arjun said, 2 steps or 3 steps to 2 means those 3 steps have to be a little bit smaller to also be faster.
Step right up. We're going to have a new exploration the next time, but after you've done all your practices. We'll see you there.
Abrazos!